write a little song, one easy to sing, of which I fear that I shall die. So I shall write one such as it conceals its meaning. One will be able to understand it plainly, albeit it is in similar rhyme. The words will be evident to one who divides them reasonably. It feels good, for my heart so overpowers me that I cannot stand not revealing my intentions, for now I can with no restrictions, so that I can't find any disguise. Rather I have endured too much, not showing my conquest off. Since my lady's so true to me, so much more so than I can thank her for. If I ask for something else, I shall hate myself forever. May God sow discord among us, or let him make me indeed deserve to be hanged by the neck from a treetop. He has given me all good, if only I don't lose her. God has rewarded me my own way. He knew well how to part the honey from the wax, and chose the best the day he had her made for me. Since in the shedding starlight no other woman's beauty is made her match, however polished it may be, or however set her heart may be to achieving the prize. Lady, when I lie down in the evening, I ponder all night and day. How can I serve you to your satisfaction? I knew so much that if one hits me or tears my hair away, he can turn my attention elsewhere. I leap and bound out of happiness, so much my heart and my desire are fixed in you. If I don't please you there where I wish to, nothing can kill me quicker. If it is delayed for me, think that fabric can protect one's heart. For I cherish life so much that often I am happy and lose myself and muse. I have won her to my misfortune. Then why have I waited so long, only to have to die this way? But a day seems to me to drag for a year. I am not worth a minnow if I can't resist. Right ho, but why am I exalted just for standing now with my eyes open, facing the places I have seen her in? I pray God to shield me from death, lady, and to have kept me until I embrace you without a vestment. He who finds love without a decoy should not complain if he loses a lady.